Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, sir. First of all, congratulations to you for achieving another great milestone and running full marathon 42 kilometers from Khwazakhila to Bahrain.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Walaikum salam. Abu Bakr Saab. Uh, Thank you so much. I'm thankful to Almighty Allah for providing me this great and wonderful opportunity. I enjoyed my run today. And I'm also thankful to you people because of your great support. I made it possible today. So I'm super happy, Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. There are so many questions which I want to ask you, but I just highlight a few questions to ask from you that what inspire you for this big run for running a marathon?
My motivation is fitness, refreshment, and I want to keep myself fit all the time. So because of that, I run daily, and because of daily run, because of daily practice, that prepare me for long marathons. And Alhamdulillah, I have been participating in marathon. I participated in Peshawar marathon. I participated in Lahore marathon. Last Sunday, I completed a marathon in a football ground, and today, Alhamdulillah, this is another. This is my second great marathon which I completed today from Khwazakhila to Bahrain. So Alhamdulillah, I'm grateful to Almighty Allah for all these kind of opportunities.
MashaAllah, Sarji. And how did you prepare yourself for this 42-kilometer run?
As I told you that I go for running daily. Running is my daily routine. I love running and I go for running daily. I have specified time for it. Normally, I go for running early in the morning. I start my running at 4:20 a.m. and I run 1 hour a day, every day. So and that 1 hour I cover around about 7-8 kilometers. So I think that 7-8 kilometers it has been preparing me for long marathons, for long runs, because daily practice is the key, continuous effort is the key. So, continuous efforts, daily practice, it is my preparation. And those people who want to participate in marathons, so I think they should also practice daily. Even if they run for 5-6 kilometers, so that's enough. That's a very good preparation.
MashaAllah, sir. As you just complete your marathon and you ran from Khwadakhela to Bahrain, 42 kilometers. So, what was your experience like during marathon running on the road?
Alhamdulillah, it was a wonderful experience. Is Swat is a beautiful place, and especially when you run from Khwazakhela to Bahrain, so you come across so many beautiful places. So you see the greenery all around, you see the lofty mountains all around, you see the beautiful river Swat in the background. So believe me, it's a beautiful place. Swat is considered a heaven, a paradise on earth. So believe me, running in a paradise, running in a beautiful place, it's a wonderful feeling. So I enjoyed my today running a lot, and I'm super happy for that. Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah, Sergi. And during the running on the road, so what challenges you face and how did you overcome that? And your whole journey of running, what challenge do you face and how do you overcome that?
In the start of my running, when I started my running in 2017, so there was a lot of there were a lot of problems. Is I didn't have enough stamina, so therefore I was unable to run long distances. So I used to cover short distances, and therefore and that prepared me for long distances. So there were problems. There was I work on my stamina, I work on my fitness, and I reduce weight as well, and that prepared me for a long run. As far as today's experience is concerned, so Alhamdulillah, I didn't face any such problem today. As it was Sunday and there was no one on the road. The road was empty, Alhamdulillah. There was no vehicle. Number of vehicles were also less in the time which we have selected for today's marathon. As I started at 4:20 and I finished at around about 9, so I think this time was suitable for proper marathon. There was no rush on the road. The road was empty, and Alhamdulillah, I enjoyed it a lot. So there was no such difficulties. I didn't face any such difficulty today, especially.
Yes, sir. MashaAllah. And how do you stay motivated and pursuing your plans of running to achieve goals?
Alhamdulillah, how do I keep myself motivated? So I think it is the daily practice. It is the daily routine. As I have given in a permanent space to my to running session in my routine, and it has become my lifestyle now. So therefore, it is easy for me now. It is my habit. It is my lifestyle. It is my nature now. So I love running. I'm passionate about it. It gives me energy. It keeps me motivated. It gives me happiness. It boosts my morale. It boosts my confidence. So it gives me a lot of benefits. So therefore, when I look at the benefits, I enjoy all the benefits. So I am fit, Alhamdulillah. I am super happy. I am enjoying my life. So all these benefits I am getting just because of this running routine. So therefore, I also recommend all those people who want to enjoy their life, they should also start running.
The question is that what advice would you give to the student who want to start running or push themselves to achieve goals?
This is a very good question. I would like to recommend running to all kind of people, all age people, whether they are student, they are youngster, they are in their mid, or they are old people. So those people, I highly recommend it, and I recommend that I suggest that everybody must spare at least 1 hour from their daily routine, and during this hour, they must do some physical activity, especially if they start running. So I think running is one of the best exercise. So in the start, they should take slow start. They should take a walk. They should work on their stamina. They should work on their fitness. They should reduce weight, and they should do breathing practice exercises, and they should do a lot of work on fitness and stretching. Stretching is important. So before the running and after the running, stretching session is important, and warm up sessions are important. So to those students, to youngsters who want to start running, so I will highly recommend that whenever they want to start their running, so first they should do stretching session, and after they should do some warm up session, and after that they should start running. And when they finish their run, so after that they should once again do stretching session, and after that warm up session. And so this is how they will remain fit in their life. They will not sustain injuries, and they will stay motivated, and they will enjoy running for a long time. So this is the key, and everybody should act upon it, and this is how they will enjoy their run, and they will become great runners with the passage of time.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us
Thank you
time.
so much, Abu Bakr and Junaid, for your great company, your wonderful company, your great support, and you're coming all along with me to Bahrain and then conducting my interview over here. So thank you for your time as well. Thank you for sending my message across to the world and to the youngsters all around the world, the globe. So I'm too much thankful to you people for your time and for all your efforts. So thank you so much. May Allah bless you. Have a great and wonderful life. Thank you so much.
Thank you.